I can see some basils on top of bun. So let me try this, such a big one. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today we have dropped down to one of the famous football club association which is located in Pettadal Suru. They do have a cafe, so we have dropped down for both the stuff. One, I wanted to see this football theme, as well as one more is restaurant. So they were making a lot of noise in Facebook, so I just thought let me visit this place. And this club is totally surrounded with greeneries, proper village kind. I mean, from airport road it hardly takes inside like 5 to 6 minutes hardly. So but proper village feel is there, and entire surroundings is completely calm. There is no pollution, there is no traffic. Once in a while, if you need to drop down here and play football or have a good food, this is a right place where I suggest, because usually people travel very long for calmness and for peace. Not required. There are many places in Bangalore itself where if you travel like 15 to 16 kilometers outside the city, you will find a very good club. This is one amongst them. Here barbecue happens in the evening time, I think so. So they have a very good theme here. The cafe name is the Deck 17. This club has a restaurant, as I told you. This plan was there from quite long. Due to COVID, they needed to postpone. Finally, this has got opened. So they have recently celebrated Christmas also. There are 2 Christmas trees that where they have decorated. So let's go and speak to the owners and we'll see what do they say about this club. Here is Narayan and Archana, the club and the restaurant owners. So they are gonna be explaining what is this club about, because already I have told you this is a football club. As per my knowledge, just football club is where they train, but this is not just a training center where not gonna be just training. So they have something else also in their plans. Yes, Narayan.
Yeah, so this entire project was conceived in 2019.
Okay.
So this is FC Deccan Sports Park. So this entire sports park is built around 1,10,000 square feet.
Okay.
And we have a 11-side FIFA ground,
Okay.
and a 14,000 square feet artificial ground.
Okay.
Plus a themed cafe, and
Okay.
probably it's India's first and Bangalore's only football club themed cafe.
Okay.
And so we want people to come and enjoy, play a game, and practice, and have a good time at the cafe.
Okay.
Yeah, so like he said, this is a 11-a-side football turf, and this is one of the first private natural turfs in Bangalore, and this is a FIFA standard artificial turf. And the cafe, we thought when there is no food at such a beautiful, lovely facility, I thought something would certainly be lacking, and we thought people going around looking for food is not something we wanted. So we thought food is a necessity, an essential, and which is going to add to its beauty. And here we have continental, and on demand we also serve Indian food, but at the same time we have inquiries for events, birthday parties, weddings, receptions, family get-togethers, and on Sundays, especially on weekends, we have inquiries for families to come and spend time together. And this is just the first phase. And we are also planning a second phase, which we would reveal to you once it is ready. Okay. And due to lockdown, the project is delayed, and the launch was delayed. So the restaurant is about 45 days old.
Yeah.
And we want people to come explore this. We want people to explore Bangalore in a different light. Okay. It's not just traffic, it's not just concrete, but there's a lot of green, there's a lot of fresh air, and we want people to see that, and a lot of space, of course.
Just to add a point, we are also pet friendly, and I think we are happy to host pet parents here, but I think they'll be really happy to hear this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to have live matches in upcoming days. We have a FIFA standard ground, as I mentioned,
Okay.
and we also have under 13 and under 16, under 18 academies who train here. And so the advantage of this place is that parents can literally sit, watch the kids getting trained, and have a cup of coffee in the morning. So that's the beauty of this place. So yeah, so we just go ahead and plan this way so that people come and enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I heard that most of the riders are going to be dropping down here for breakfast before going to Nandi Hills.
Yeah. So I'm a part of a riding group. So I do have a couple of friends who have come, a lot of people who have come and have a cup of coffee in the morning, especially on Saturdays and Sundays. So that gives me an opportunity to, especially the riders, to get connected with the green space. So that's a plus point here.
And to add to biking, we also have a barbecue setup, which when the bikers return from their ride, they can certainly drop by and enjoy a nice barbecue, like adding that biking essence, giving them that special feeling of biking. And obviously on weekends, we recently had 3 generations of a family drop
yeah.
by for a get together. So we have bookings like that, we have inquiries like that, where families come, they want to spend time, and they have a lot of free space, which
So they literally come have a game here, and
they have
just
a lot
enjoy.
of space to open up, stroll around. They want to play football, or they want to play any other game of their choice. They're free to do so.
So one last point. So if you're coming down with the family, it's not just that you need to have some kind of admission fees, then only you can play. It's nothing like that. You can come down with your family, play for free of cost, have good food, and go. So here is Ashutosh. So he is the club manager and he's a trainee also for this club. So Ashutosh, what do you say about this club?
Yeah. Good evening. My name is Ashutosh and I'm the manager of FC Deccan. This is our home ground. This is the place where our senior team FC Deccan play. FC Deccan, we play in Super Division, BDFA League, which is one of the top league in Bangalore. So soccer school, we run from the age group between 8, 10, 15 and 18, as well as 21. So behind me, you can see these are the academy boys and soccer school boys who are age group between 15 to 18. Soccer school boys are trained by our certified coaches who are Mr. Louis Nixon and Mr. Shivmani. This season, FC Deccan were the champions of A Division, BDFA. 3 players from our team were selected for Khelo India under 21, which was conducted in Assam.
Whatever they have posted, the images inside the restaurant, it's really keeping an athlete very motivated. Each and everything, whatever they have posted over here, it's really very required for an athlete to go through it, then get into the ground. This is the first floor of the restaurant where parents can sit and view what children are doing and how the children are getting trained up, whether the children are lazy, sleeping on the ground or sitting in the ground, or getting trained properly. Even parents can come, sit. So this is one more ground. So this is behind this club. So this was the first ground. This club was there from quite long period of time, but for me this club got introduced recently. For friends, for family, this is the right place. You people can see this is a dining area, but they have not put the chairs due to rain. From last 2 days it's raining continuously in Bangalore. So best place to chill out. So coming to the restaurant part, so we have a manager named called Deepak who is taking care of the restaurant. So Deepak, what is so special of this restaurant? What are you going to be serving us?
Yeah, we're going to serving us today for you thin crust pizza, pasta, and the light barbecue, and we have the hand toasted.
So after football, you're going to be serving something like, dietary food for the players?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So it's a custom made diet where a trainer is
custom made
doing-
diet. Yes.
Okay, sounds good. So okay, fine. Even I'm hungry too. Let's start.
Yes, we are too waiting for you.
Finally coming to the food point, I have got one lemon pepper chicken. So for cold climate, of course, lemon pepper chicken is really very good. You can see a lot of paprikas and different colors of capsicum. The lemon taste is really very dominating, and spiciness because of paprika, that is like fantastic. Let me take this. They have sorted really very well. With that, the chicken is breast. Almost they have chopped the fillet because it's boneless. The taste is really fantastic, guys. Slightly cheesiness taste is there. I think they have garnished with cheese. The cheese has been melted well. The juiciness is really great. The lemon flavor is really very dominating, and pepper flavor here and there when you're eating capsicum. Or is no pepper flavor. Pepper is not so dominating in this. They have used seasonal masalas in this. Just look at this. The masala is being just attached to the meat so well. So coriander leaves is just stick to the meat. Taste wise, fantastic. And presentation wise, just look at this. They have garnished so well. So I have received one double decker burger. I don't know whether this is veg or non-veg. With that, I have received some of the French fries. Of course, mayonnaise, must and should. And one more side, tomato sauce. Let me have a slight press first. I can see the lettuce, tomatoes, and one patry. On patry, a cheese slice, and one more is lolo rosso. And on top of that, I can see one more onion. With that, one toothpick which has been put from up. I can see some basils on top of bun. So let me try this. Such a big one. Oh. Inside the patty, aloo is being completely mashed up well because they're not getting the things from outside. Whatever they are preparing inside their kitchen itself. Whenever you're eating burger, you have to mess up the things. This messy, whenever you are eating completely, then only that enjoyment will be there. All the flavors are completely bursting up inside the mouth. Just look at the mess. But taste wise, fantastic. The mayonnaise is so thick. This is not a ready-made mayonnaise. They have prepared in their restaurant. I mean to say their kitchen. The thickness is in next level, guys. And even fries, they have just fried it so well, and the crispiness is there. On top, whatever the basil leaves they have sprinkled, it's giving a fantastic aroma. The base is thin crust, and on top of that, they have filled with chicken sausages. The presentation is fantastic, guys. So they have given me separately ketchup for this. Let me try first without sauce. The pizza base is well cooked in the grill, and sausages are so damn soft. On top of that, basil leaves, mozzarella cheese is being added so well. Not so much, not less also. It's perfectly added. The taste is really fantastic. I've received some oregano and chili flakes. If I need something extra, I can add for this. Let me add some chili flakes. That gives a very good taste. Slightly oregano. And now I wish to try this with ketchup. Guys, next level of taste for this climate. Pizza is must and should. Usually with thin crust pizza, actually whenever you eat, the crunchiness will be there. That crunchiness shouldn't be there in pizza. Here the crunchiness is not there. This is exotic vegetable sandwich. I can see broccolis, I can see capsicum, different colors of capsicum, and I can see some corn. Inside I can see cheese which has been added, which has been melted, olives. So capsicum, alternate word is bell pepper, and they have added zucchini, alternate to cucumber. So let's try this out. The bread is really crispy, and yes, bell pepper is giving a very good taste, and zucchini also. With that mayonnaise and cheese, next level of taste. This actually goes good with ketchup, and inside this they have sprinkled peri peri and pepper. Usually for sandwiches they don't use broccoli, but here they have used broccoli. It's one side healthy dish. You have to try this. Even this is good, and the crispiness of bread is in next level, guys. After a long time having pesto penne pasta, on top they have grated with cheese and some olives and bell pepper. They have used slightly cream inside this, I feel. Yes, cream has been used. So let me have this first bite. The cheesiness is in next level, guys. Wow, it's just amazing. And bell pepper, I want to try this. It's like entire different taste. They have used oregano for this pasta. It's giving a very good taste, and I wish to try one olive. God, fantastic. They have used pesto sauce for this. This is not a ready-made sauce which they have got from out. They have used cashews. They have grinded cashews well, and they have used bit of mayonnaise and basil leaves, rest all stuff. So this is fantastic. It's so creamy and delicious. Personally recommended. I've got one garlic bread. So let me put this pasta on this and let me try a bite. The creamy stuff always goes good with garlic bread or just a bread or grilled toast. Just amazing, guys. It's a big time calorie food. Smoked grilled chicken salad. So as you people can see, a fillet has been cut into half, and they have just decorated so well in the plate. Just look at this. The masala is just sticked on the breast fillet, I mean to say. Proper healthy dish. The taste is just fantastic. The oregano has been used so well for marinade. Chili flakes. So chili flakes, of course, you know, the spiciness will be there. And bell pepper, olives, everything is there. Onions and tomato too. So salad means, of course, everything should be added, then only it's salad. This stuff is one of my favorite food as an athlete. Not only for me, most of the players who ever come here, they wish to try this itself, like this types of food. Usually players, football players, they need to have a lean mass muscle, not a bulky muscle. The quantity is really very good, and quality of the food, you people are only seeing what quality they are providing. Quality wise is like best. I didn't expect this quality. They have given a next level of quality in this restaurant. This is Oreo cornflakes. This is the signature dish of the Deck 17. First bite, of course. Signature dish we have to try. We'll be having some expectations, right, before having that will be like that, this, and dessert. That is something quite interesting part. The Oreo is being filled inside this flakes. Just look at this, guys. With that, they have served butterscotch ice cream. Wow, it is so crunchy, the cornflakes is, and Oreo flavor. It's giving a fantastic kick with this butterscotch ice cream. The ice cream has got slightly melted because sun is a bit more today. Last 2 days it rained in Bangalore, and today sun is more. Fantastic. This one I really loved, and personally I recommend you to try all food over here. The food quality, quantity, and the price list, everything is like quite decent. I'll be mentioning the price list in the description part, and even location. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment, and please do visit This place, personally recommended. I loved it to the core. Anyhow guys, I'll just finish this food. I'm gonna be ending my vlog because a lot of food is pending. I have to finish it. Take care. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye. See ya.